Hey everybody, this is Brian, head tutor from Scorebeyond, coming at you from Scorebeyond headquarters in breezy Menlo Park, California. Let's tackle this Scorebeyond SAT question of the day, which happens to be a math question. Now it seems like a fairly simple math question. It has an X and a Y in it, and you probably solve for X or Y, and then you look at what the question asks for. However, if you look at what the question asks for up front, you'll notice that it's not asking for X or Y individually. It's asking for 3X plus 3Y, a grouping of variables. In fact, a binomial, right? We have two terms there. So let's see what we can do to what the question provided at the front to try to get closer to this 3X plus 3Y. Now with negative 2Y on the right side of the equal sign, we can see that it's pretty obvious we should just combine all the y's, right? We have 5y on the left side, and having an x plus y on the left side of the equal sign is preferable when comparing to 3x plus 3y. So let's do that. We got 7x plus 5y equals negative 2y, and we add 2y to both sides. And then we're left with 7x plus 7y equals, well, I guess in this case it equals 0, right? Because we added 2y, so we negated the negative 2y. Okay, so we have 7x plus 7y. We have x and y on both sides, or sorry, the same side of the equation. So we can compare it to 3x plus 3y, but in this case, we have 7x plus 7y. Well, let's still try to keep the group together of x plus y. And one way we can do that is dividing both sides by 7. Normally, you can't just cancel a 7 out of both terms on the left side of the equation in a fraction like this because of the plus sign. We can't just say, okay, this 7 cancels that 7, cancels that 7. However, in this case, it does work out because we can factor a 7 out of the numerator, out of those two terms, 7x and 7y. If we factored out a 7, we would get 7 times x plus y over 7 equals, well, 0 divided by 7 is still going to be 0. Now we can cancel this out because we have multiplication, 7 times this binomial. Right? So we're left with x plus y equals 0. Well, to get 3x plus 3y, we can multiply both sides by 3. Just as we factored out the 7, we can now distribute the 3. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times y, 3y. 0 times 3, still 0. Okay, 3x plus 3y got to be 0, which has to be answer C. So bubble that in. So there you go. Not too bad of an algebra problem on the SAT. However, if algebra problems scare you, tap the tutoring button at the bottom of the screen. Or if you're reading the blog, go to the bottom and click on the tutoring banner. Our tutors can help you with all average problems, but also just how to approach average problems on the SAT, because often they're not asking you to do technical algebra. They're looking for you to find a relationship in the problem, like this one. Okay, see you next time.